All right, so we're going to do another message about your side. Not that side of the bed, but your side of the family. Your daddy's side, your mama's side. But this evening, we're going to be talking about both sides. Okay? So, you see, I am ready to cook, baby, so we can eat, okay? All right. Now, let's see what both sides of the family is thinking. What are they saying? How are they feeling? What are they up to? What are they about to do? Okay? I'm not going to even say it because if you know, you know. Y'all always be worried about somebody's speech instead of listening to the message. But yeah. Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. Iris, the Google Dolls. Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. But anyway, both sides don't like that. All right, let's tap in and see what's going on with both sides. Both sides of the family have been catfishing you. They want to be you so bad. They're really your number one fans. It's just a little throw. See? Both sides of the family. Told you. They want to be friends. But they're envious of you. And they have so much more than you. No! Why? Why? Here's what it is, huh? Both sides of the family somebody needs somewhere to stay. I'm gonna put that back. It comes, I'm gonna put that back. I'm sending that back. Woman, damn, you don't. Let's see. Both sides, woman. Damn, you don't. Both sides of the family sending evil eye. Maybe they're saying, damn, woman, you don't want to be friends? Hell no. Trigger warning. Trigger warning. Both sides of the family. Hell no, you don't want to be friends. Because that's all y'all do. That's right. Love wins over here. Love wins over here. It's a hell no. Why they living rent free up in your head? Tell me, come on, let's be friends. Come join. It's a hell no. Oh, yes. Somebody, both sides of the family. It's somebody that done had your person and still ain't got it. Or with your person and still not with your person. You get what I'm saying? Like, what more do you want, baby? The way that things are fed up. Telling me what to think, what I can be. Uh-oh. Is this the family member in your person, your supposedly person? Because if it's with the family member, we already know there's no way that could be your person, right? Believer, Imagine Dragons. The song is called Believer, yeah. Family member trying to run your supposed person. Now your supposed person sitting up there hollering, you made me a believer. You cuckoo caca. That's what I heard. Both sides of the family are internet trolls. Both sides of the family wanting to come to you and say that they love you too. Both sides of the family are fake. Both sides of the family now want to compete and fight with each other. No, y'all need to stay together. Like y'all stayed together when y'all came up against it. Stay together. No. Stay together. It's better together. Ain't that what y'all said? Albert Einstein is here with us because he damn sure ain't with both sides of your family, baby. Not the shit that they doing. He's right here with us. Y'all see I'm rocking? You made me a believer. Yeah. Woo! Both sides of your family. I have some biracial going on up in there. Yeah. Both sides of the family be sitting at the round table. I'll never forget. I used to always have this particular dream. And it was always I was with my caretakers, and it was some family that came in. Well, yeah, came in from out of town, and everybody got dressed up. And I remember us going to this club downtown Detroit, Michigan. And there was an upstairs and a downstairs. And of course, we went downstairs. It seemed like those stairs, it was like forever. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Okay. So once we got down to the bottom, I was just like, for one, because I was very young. I probably might be like 10 or 11. My little fur coat on, my little pump, little snake skin. Don't y'all? Yeah. Anyway, so, you know, I'm like, knowing I have no business being there, okay? And everybody's just walking around. Hey, little dupes. Hey, little dupes. But the thing that really got me was not the fact that, you know, we're all sitting at this round table. The big wooden round tables, you know. This was like a hole in the wall up north. Yeah, okay. Now, the fact that, you know, I got to order my drink, Remy Martin straight on the rocks. You heard I said my drink. I'm 10, 11. Okay. That's nothing. What really blew my mind was how this one particular uncle of mine was sitting right across from me. Had the most weirdest look on his face. And all I can remember is just looking at him like, something is definitely not right, because there's no way this particular uncle should be here, because this particular uncle was known as, let's just say, the one who everyone would be like, oh, there's no way he would ever do. Was it all a dream? Both sides of the family have sneaky secrets. God sees all. Caretaker. Now, you know I was just talking about my uncle. And then these cards come out. You can relate. You can relate. You just know you're not by yourself. That's why I'm here. To let you know that you're not by yourself. Okay? All right. Both sides. Both sides. Oh, no. Come on now. Both sides. Both sides. One, please. This came out again. Needs a place to stay. Here comes karma. Both sides. Both sides. are amazed. But all you want from both sides of the family is to pay you like they spent your money. Because you already know that both sides of your family are karmic. Both sides of the family are blocked. All the small things. Blink 182. 844. Both sides of the family are consuming too much. Spirit fussing at me to get this pile down here. I don't want to get it. Both sides of the family have something to do with the police and feds. Both sides of the family are not telling what they did, but trying to either smiling in your face or trying to smile in your face. Some are trying. Both sides of the family want you to open up and receive their whatever. Both sides of the family have dark witches. I guess that's why they're so mad at you, because you will not sign the contract. You will not join. Both sides of the family, see, they're mad because you're telling them, no, you can't have it. No, this is my gifts. Get your own. Oh, they're mad about that. They don't like that. Both sides of your family have white witches. Both sides of your family work with your middle child. Collide. It gives me as if they work with your middle child, but it didn't go too well. It didn't go too well. Let it go. Have no regrets. Spirit is telling you to let it go about your middle child, okay? Whatever happened, whatever's going on in this situation right now, have no, that's not, say no revenge, but I'm telling you, don't have no regrets for protecting your peace, protecting your peace of mind, okay? Protecting your family, especially if you have other kids that you have to take care of, okay? Both sides of the family, they now see the truth. Both sides of the family are greedy. Both sides of the family are informers. Or work with an informer. Both sides of the family hate the fact that you fight the power. You fight their power. Woo. Oh yeah. That's the truth. Both sides of the family tried to clip your wings. Check your birth date for both sides of the family. Woo. Both sides of the family want you to allow yourself to receive they don't want you to allow yourself to receive a peace of mind, love, whatever. Both sides of the family, something about a Gemini. Take off. Felony. Private jet takeoff. Hmm. It's a married, immature female, 20 to 33 years old, getting your trash. Getting your trash. A family member got your leftovers, your trash, your hand-me-downs, your person. I'm just, hey, okay? A family member got with your person, your trash. Now the age don't we're not gonna worry about the age, okay? We're just gonna know, we know it's a female. The female is very immature. Yeah, marriage. So maybe they got into a false marriage just to try to get the earlier one of the reasons was about a trust fund. Gemini, takeoff, private jet, crybaby. They thought they was gonna take off. This Gemini, they thought they was gonna take off, baby. They thought they was flying high. Now they can't even do daily tasks because of prison time. And your glow up. All right, I'm gonna get out of there. Let's see. Don't worry about anything, because as you can see, they've got prison time. Like rehabs. Divorces. All kind of things going on, all because of your glow up, okay? So we're going to let that go. We're going to get up out of that. I have about had enough of that. I ain't feeling that. And pulled out some meditation cards, okay? Ain't nobody got time for that. Tell my lovies what it is and it's needed at the time. Transcendental. This type of meditation has a simple technique in which your mantra, which might be a word, sound, or phrase, is repeated 10 minutes twice each day while sitting comfortably with the eyes closed. Y'all probably won't be able to do screenshot. Y'all probably won't be able to see it anyway, will you? So just go pick you out a mantra, which might be a word, sound, or phrase. Okay, repeat it 10 times, twice a day, while sitting comfortably with your eyes closed. Or however you like to meditate. You don't have to close your eyes, okay? Just get somewhere by yourself, sit down, get a peace of mind. Liar. Yeah, you tried to put me underground. I can hear you in my head. Jelly roll. Liar. Self-respect. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Today, treat your body and mind with respect. Repeat, I will only let good thoughts enter my mind, and I will only put healthy food in my body. Somebody is like a devil in disguise. Just leave me alone. Drinking whiskey, popping pills. Walk. This is simply one of the best ways to relieve stress. Don't run, don't even walk very fast. Just walk and breathe deep from the bottom of allowing your blood to course through your body. Go walk, baby, so you can get that bitch up out your head, because they're a liar. Time for balance. Sit down and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Think about the different times of your life that fill you with joy. Concentrate on ways to make more out of times. Okay? All right. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. All right. Till next time, hold it down and keep smiling.